the old Ghetto Bird here. The police helicopter was flying over the park here, hovering very low, so something's going on in the park. I see they got the police cars, got things blocked off here. I see LAPD officers are going across. They seem to be following a man over there. So it looks like we've got two LAPD officers here, just crossing Penmar Park. They're heading south here toward Lake Street. Got a civilian here wearing a black t-shirt, black shorts. He seems to be explaining something that's going on here. Since they had the helicopter up in the air, the what we colloquially call as the Ghetto Bird, most likely it could have been an assault or a robbery. Not quite sure at this point. Still see the LAPD there. They got two cars right there, pulled up outside of where the homeless encampment is there next to the water reclamation building.
What did they say?
Yeah, I don't know how you guys classify it.
I mean, to be honest, it sounds like unfortunate right now. Right? Maybe the calls, we thought they were breaking the car. I don't know exactly what they saw. Can you tell me?
Were you here when he was breaking in my car?
No, I just heard the helicopter. I'm across the street. I just came out to see what was going on.
You didn't see anything.
Well,
You saw him walk away.
Walking away from the car.
Okay.
What's the description?
They found him.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, he's over there.
What's he look like?
Another witness that says no damage.
What does he look like?
Black guy wearing a red coat.
Is he one of the encampment homeless guys here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, you know, almost exactly 1 year ago today we had another car stolen right here from the encampment. Yeah, they walk around and check the doors all the time.
Yeah.
And then they check the keys, they do the fobs.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that was exactly, it was yesterday was 1 year ago today at the park here. My neighbor, she's right around the corner from you.
They took the car?
Yeah, they took her car, and then she actually had to track them down. She tracked her own car down.
Gosh.
It was parked in the golf course parking lot, and then we had to get the posse over to.
What a nightmare.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you guys saw him breaking in the car?
I didn't see him breaking in the car.
Okay.
He's the one who was like, "Oh, something's happening.
Oh,
Something's
okay.
going down." So I don't know if he.
Yeah, I just heard some screaming, kind of,
Okay.
and I just saw you over here.
Okay, that you saw it late then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name?
Jerry.
Jerry, I'm Danny.
Jerry.
Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to
Danny
meet you.
Slant. I'm always out here shooting videos about the
Okay.
park and the homeless and all that stuff. Follow the
Okay.
channel, Danny Slant.
Danny Slant.
Yeah,
I'll follow
matter of fact, I just posted my video, my Sunday video. When I go around, I did the count. We're down 2 homeless today.
Okay.
So 2 less.
Okay.
The guy that was living in that dugout for the last 2 years,
Yeah.
I don't know, he's finally take shelter.
Really?
So yeah, he's gone. But we still got, you know, literally
I
dozens
know,
of them here,
I know.
which is a problem.
All right. Well, luckily we got out there quick. Never saw what happened. We got here too, so we're not
okay.
right now. All right. So obviously we have handcuffs up there. Probably just identify him. Just know they didn't our log.
Well, somebody can tell him comes back and tries it. That's all. Is there a way? You
Well,
guys-
I mean, when it comes to like, I wouldn't like try to get license. Obviously, you
is
said
he
yourself.
crazy or is he
I didn't even. I was over there. I came right to you.
Okay.
So, right. I mean, if you see him again, if you want to put it out, like this guy.
So again, what it appears to be is one of the unhoused individuals, the homeless individuals in the park, attempted to break in and steal the neighbor's car there, and he saw it going on, so he jumped out and argument and yelling. It's good to see that the LAPD response was quick on the actual attempted auto theft here at the park, but I did talk to the neighbor who just introduced himself to me, and he said that, yeah, this guy is one of the homeless campers here in our park, and it's kind of ironic. It was exactly about a year ago, as of yesterday, a year ago yesterday, where I had the video where I was interviewing the neighbors who live just the other block away, 1 block away over there on Lake and Walnut, and their car had gotten stolen from the homeless who were in Penmar Park, because that's what they do. They walk around and constantly look for things to steal and try your car doors and steal bikes and steal cars and steal everything else, and that's why we don't like the homeless encampments. I get it, people are on hard times, but this is the crime element that it brings in that we don't want. Here we are, 4:30 on a beautiful Sunday afternoon where everybody's in the park enjoying stuff, and yeah, this guy, they're trying to steal his freaking car. Unbelievable. It's good to see the response, though.
It is.
I mean, because when we call about anything else, we don't get any response.
No, we never do.
We're on our own.
We never do.
So literally, my neighbors, we all text each other. We come out. This is like the Wild West. It's the 1800s. We got to rely on ourselves out here, like we're in some kind of a. So did you see the guy from your window trying to jack in?
No, I was going to my car and some other guys saw him. They were walking.
Yeah.
And I think they know it's my car. And they're like, this guy's trying to break in, so I just followed him up there. And he wouldn't stop, but he wasn't going to mess with me. So.
Yeah. Did he have a Slim Jim? You know, Slim. Was he trying to Slim Jim?
Yeah.
So he was trying.
I was keeping my distance.
Yeah, because you don't know. All right, so that's LAPD's leaving now. Okay. What was their response? Just curious, how many minutes response time?
It was like 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Yeah. That's
chopper got here.
Yeah, when they had a home invasion last year as well, their response was 6 minutes.
It's quick.
So it's good to know. Although 6 minutes when you're in your house, if you're nervous, that's an eternity.
Yes.
But still, yeah. So
yes.
I remind people, I don't like to get too graphic because I'm on YouTube and they will put you down when you say, but let's just say use all your constitutional rights in your house.
I will.
Yeah, I know I heard you talking. Here's the thing. I'll take this off camera and give you advice. Yes, we know what needs to be done, and we always, and in Venice we take care of things that need to be done.
Yes.
Your name one more time? Danny Slant. All right, Jerry. We'll keep it on. So it's you're the Benz, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I know that's yours. And now don't ever have put his. Don't mess with my ride.
No. I'll follow you.
Yeah, I appreciate it, Jerry. All right,
Thanks,
man. Take care. Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, so there you go. And here we are from from Penmar Park. Okay, so for the second time today, here we are from beautiful, sunny, gorgeous Penmar Park, where there was an attempted carjacking, car theft here. It's Danny Slant saying, ciao, ciao for now. You done? You done?
Only two.
Okay, only two. You work hard today, huh?
Yes, it's only two.
Okay, the policia, huh?
Yes.
Flying around. Yeah. You know what it was? He's trying to steal his car.
Oh, wow.
Right there. See that nice fancy car over there?
Yeah?
The Mercedes.
Oh.
So he was sitting inside his house through the window, and he saw the guy try to break the window and get into a car, and he ran out, and then the guy with the black shorts. It was his car.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. I thought someone was trying to rob you. This guy saw the police up here.
No more good, more homeless.
Yeah, it was a homeless
Yes.
guy. It was a homeless
In
guy
the
who did it.
house
Yeah,
and
and they're
no-
right here too. They're
yes.
right here. You gotta now you gotta sit here and watch your back.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
more friends, the homeless.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
no
yeah, yeah,
good.
yeah. Too much drugas. Loco en la cabeza from
Yes.
Las Drugas. Yeah. Okay. ¿Cómo se llama?
My name is
Yeah.
Marco.
Marco?
Yes.
Danny. Mucho
Okay.
gusto. Okay.
Very good.
Have a good one, Marco. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
That's good, man.
That's because he knows I'm doing all the hard
That's
work
good,
in the
that's good,
neighborhood.
that's beautiful.
Okay, I appreciate that, man. Thank you much.
That's sweet.
Come on down if you want good fruits and vegetables. He's always out here every day, man. Hustling, working. Remember that, people. You got to work to earn your money here, not just hang around and, sit in the park and do dope all day. Thanks, Marco. Have a good one. Appreciate it. Ciao, ciao. Okay, looks like we're going to have some fruit tonight.